want to unlock the secrets of the tarot? Or have you always been curious about the mystical world of tarot? Hey friends, welcome to my channel Mahanvi Tarot. Tarot cards have been used for centuries to gain insight into the future. Subscribe to my channel to learn how to read tarot cards. Like the video as a token of appreciation. Let's start today's learning.
Introduction. Today, we are going to be exploring the Chariot Tarot card, a symbol of victory, determination, and control. Overview. The chariot is often depicted as a warrior riding a chariot pulled by two horses, representing the need to balance opposing forces and harness our inner strength. This card can also represent a journey or a quest for success. Symbolism. The chariot is often depicted with a canopy or shield, representing protection and control. The chariot is a card that represents willpower, determination, and control. It depicts a figure riding a chariot, often pulled by two horses, one black and one white. The horses symbolize opposing forces, such as light and dark, yin and yang, and the conscious and unconscious mind or inner desires and our rational mind. The figure driving the chariot represents the control and balance needed to harness these forces and move forward. The chariot is a card of victory, but not in the traditional sense. It's about conquering your own inner struggles and overcoming obstacles to achieve your goals. The card can represent a journey, whether it's physical or emotional, and the need for self-discipline and focus to stay on track. Meaning. When the chariot appears in a tarot reading, it can indicate a need to take control of a situation or harness our inner strength to achieve your goals and to be confident in your abilities. It can also represent a journey or a quest for success and the need to balance opposing forces in order to move forward, such as work and family life, or your own desires and responsibilities. Conclusion. So there you have it, the Chariot Tarot card. Whether you are seeking victory in a particular situation or embarking on a journey towards success, this card can provide valuable insights and guidance. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Be sure to like the video for more tarot content. If you want personal consultation, then you can contact my team. Detail is given in the description.
Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.